Fortunately, focus is a lot like a mental muscle. The more you work on building it up, the stronger it gets. A reticular activating system that is like magnet for our life. When focus goes, energy flows. When I look at what has gone really well, it's because I focus my energy 100%. How would you say your mental focus is? Try to rate it on the scale from 1 to 10. If you want to, you can share your answer with us in the comment box below. See, I know, staying on task can be difficult, but it might be particularly challenging when you are surrounded by constant distractions. In today's always connected world, diversions are nothing more than a click away, which makes it that much more difficult to figure out how to focus. Even during your quiet moments, distraction is literally at your fingertips as you find yourself checking your social media notification or the latest news updates. But being mentally focused is essential for success. The ability to concentrate on something in your environment and the direct mental effort toward it is critical for learning new things, achieving goals, and performing well across a wide variety of situations. Whether you are trying to finish a report at work or compete in a marathon, your ability to focus can mean a difference between success and failure. Fortunately, focus is a lot like a mental muscle. The more you work on building it up, the stronger it gets. Becoming more mentally focused is achievable, but that doesn't mean that it's always quick and easy. If it was simple, then we would all have the razor-sharp concentration of an elite athlete. It will take some effort on your part, and you may have to make some changes to some of your daily habits. In this video, I talk more about RAS, a reticular activating system that is like magnet for our life, and some tricks and tips from the Silva method that can help you to learn how to focus and develop laser-like mental concentration. Hi everyone, it's Kasia here, mindset coach, business trainer, and the host of this channel where we talk about how we can make our life better and better. If you want to know how to do it, make sure to subscribe below and hit that bell to be notified when my next video goes live. You may have heard that saying, when focus goes, energy flows. And when energy flows, whatever you are focusing on grows. In other words, your life is controlled by what you focus on. That's why you need to focus on where you want to go, not on what you fear. If we focus on the negative, we get the negative things. If we focus on the positive, we tend to see creating things that are positive in our lives. Have you ever had something to go wrong and you have spent time moaning and groaning about the result, for then something else to go wrong, which continues throughout the day until you snapped out of it? I bet you have. I know I have. It happens to all of us. Without going too deep on you, the reticular activating system is like magnet for our life. It will literally attract what you think about, what you say out loud, and what you write. That's why people who say they have no money and complain all the time, guess what? They never have any money. That's why the lucky get luckier, and the unlucky continue hitting bad luck. When RAS is used properly, it filters out all the crap it doesn't think it needs. However, when we use it in the negative, it filters out the potential good and gives us more of the crap we keep asking for. I aren't saying that RAS will do everything for you, but if you start picturing and visualizing what you want, the RAS will help you on the way to get there. This is the power of the RAS. Therefore, it is so important to you to know that wherever you focus your energy, you start to see results. And you know what? You can use it in all aspects of your life. In your health, wealth, business, your career, your personal growth. I am really talking from the heart now. And when I look back at my success to date, and when I say success, I mean starting to live life exactly how I wanted to live. Along with my learnings, success has come from my energy and focus. And so have the learnings too. When I look at what has gone really well, it's because I focus my energy 100%. And learning to control my focus comes down to passion and purpose. Why I am doing what I am doing, what result I want, and what it will mean to me when I succeed. These are the questions that I constantly ask myself. This is an area many people fall short, including myself at times. When I aren't fully aligned with my passion and purpose, I often don't give the task the energy it rightly deserves, therefore resulting in failure, or as I like to describe, in learning. Finding your why and really understanding why you are doing something is like the lighter fluid to a goal. It will fire you up when times get hard. It will provide you with the energy when you can't go anymore. And it will give you a joy of really succeeding at something in life. So now, let me tell you a bit about how do you fix the lack of focus by using the Silva method. Meditating with alpha sound at the background and practicing mindfulness are the most obvious ways to prolong your ability to stay focused. Harnessing your brain's alpha waves can help you enter a flow state, which allows you to do deep work with less effort. Entering a flow state of mind can feel pretty magical. There is those moments when you lose track of time, in a good way, and you enter a calm, creative state of concentration that results in fast learning and powerful performance. Next Silva strategy that will help you to improve your focus is improving your sleep by applying sleep control and alarm clock techniques from the Silva Life System training. More information about the Silva Method Foundation program, please check out on my website. See, Silva Method teaches you to command your mind to let you fall asleep when you choose to. It also shows you how to set your internal clock to be able to wake up anytime without the use of an alarm clock. Imagine how much focus, productivity, and energy you will gain by always having a good night's rest and starting your day relaxed. Next strategy that Silva Method offers you in order to improve your focus is Silva Memory Pack System. It's a memory aid that involves linking words with numbers. It is utilized by creating mental association between items to be remembered and items that are already associated with numbers. Memory Pack System will help you to practice your visualization, imagination, improve your focus, concentration, and memory. Live in the moment. That will be mine personal strategy that will help you to increase your focus. You have probably heard people talk about the importance of being present. It is all about putting away distractions, whether they are physical, your mobile phone, or psychological, your anxieties, and being fully mentally engaged in the current moment. This notion of being present is also essential for recapturing your mental focus. Staying engaged in the here and now keeps your attention sharp and your mental resources honed in on the details that really matter at a specific point in time. And you can practice being here and now by applying Silva meditation into your daily life. It may take some time, but we're learning on truly live in the moment. Also, remember to stop multitasking. Remember that regular exercises, spending time in nature, and eating a balanced diet are very, very important elements that will help you to boost your concentration and improve your focus. Building your mental focus is not something that will happen overnight. Even professional athletes require plenty of time and practice in order to strengthen their concentration skills. One of the first steps is to recognize the impact that being distracted is having on your life. If you are struggling to accomplish your goals and find yourself getting sidetracked by unimportant details, it is time to start placing a higher value on your time. By building your mental focus, you will find out that you can accomplish more and you can concentrate more on the things that bring you joy, success, and satisfaction. And if you are interested to find out how you can increase your focus by using the Silva method, please make sure to check out the dates for my upcoming Silva online and in-person seminars and then register. It will be awesome. Awesome, super awesome to have you on board. And also please remember to sign up for our newsletter to be up to date with our Silva community news. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time.